Hey there, data lovers! Welcome to day 55 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of data visualization using Seaborn and Plotly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create beautiful, interactive visualizations that will make your data pop. Whether you're analyzing trends, patterns, or just want to make your data tell a story, Seaborn and Plotly are your go-to tools. Let's get started. Seaborn is a powerful library built on top of Matplotlib that makes it super easy to create attractive and informative statistical graphics. Let's start by exploring some advanced plotting techniques with Seaborn. We'll be using the famous tips dataset, which contains information about tips received by waiters in a restaurant. Let's load the dataset and create some insightful visualizations. Here, we've created a box plot to compare the distribution of total bills by day, separated by gender. This plot helps us quickly identify the central tendency and variability of the bills, as well as any outliers. Now, let's take things up a notch with Plotly. Plotly allows us to create interactive plots that users can engage with, making your data exploration more dynamic and intuitive. Let's use Plotly to create an interactive scatter plot, showing the relationship between total bill and tip amount. This interactive scatter plot allows you to hover over points to see detailed information, and even zoom in and out to explore different aspects of the data. It's a powerful way to engage with your audience and let them explore the data on their own. Both Seaborn and Plotly excel at visualizing complex data patterns. Whether it's heat maps, pair plots, or intricate multidimensional plots, these libraries can handle it all. Let's create a pair plot in Seaborn to visualize relationships between all numeric variables in the tips dataset. This pair plot provides an overview of how different variables in the dataset relate to each other, with color coding based on gender. It's a great tool for spotting trends, correlations, and potential areas for deeper analysis. And that's a wrap for day 55. Today, you learned how to create stunning visualizations with Seaborn and Plotly, from advanced statistical plots to interactive dashboards. These tools are essential for any data scientist or analyst looking to bring their data to life. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python magic every day. Keep exploring, keep visualizing, and I'll see you tomorrow.